Hi, this is the Model TV. So today, let's work on how to create a captivating African print fascinator, or otherwise called Ankara fascinator. So I'll be using molded warden. I had already molded this warden for some time now. So let's pull out the thumbtacks and get the skeleton ready. Always remember to fix in your millinery wire to have this sharp, well finished edge of the fascinator. Of course, some people do make it without a wire, but you need a wire to define the edges. Okay, so I'll be putting my gum to ensure that the wire is well seated. Okay, and then close the edge up. So, have you subscribed to the Model TV? If you haven't, kindly hit the subscription button now. Like this video, comment and share if it adds value. Okay, and don't forget to turn up all notifications so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, because yours truly always upload beautiful, interesting videos, and I implore you to try this style because it will sure look good on you. Yes, so try it out. Let me hear from you in the comment section if you'll be trying this out. So this is the fabric that I'll be using, the Ankara fabric I'll be using for this design. What you do is cut, okay, like a circle, depending on the size of your molded base. Of course, you can just use a warden straight up and spread a stiffener to make it hard without molding. That is what they call freehand. Yes, you can do that and you still have your Ankara or African print fascinator. The essence is so that you have a hard base like a hat. Okay, just like you'll be using cinnamon or mat for normal hat. So you need a warden. You cover it up with your fabric to have your Ankara or African print fascinator. It's easy, it's simple, and this video is very short. So stay put and watch the process till the end. It is self-explanatory, but I'll just put my voice on it so you understand more. Okay, we're done cutting. So you put it in to cover your the inner part of the warden. Okay, you do same to the outer part, but you have to spread your gum generously so that it holds well. You can use UHU gum, you can use a vo stick, you can use top bun, any gum that works for you, you can use it. Also, you can as well cover this warden up before molding, like the initial molding. You can cover with fabric and stiffen it, then sun dry it and still use it. You still have what you need. But you know, I do mold my warden naked and I keep it so that whenever I want to use it for any fabric, any design, I'll just cover it up with the fabric that I want to use, plain, you know, all those design stuff. I'll just pick the already molded warden and use, especially in this rainy season where you will not have the sun to sun dry it like ASAP. So you need to have ready-made warden molded and kept for urgent uses. So this is it. You just spread the gum, cover it with the fabric and close it up neatly. This is the back part that I'm doing first, then I'll go for the outer part of the design to cover it with Ankara also. Okay, almost done, just the last slap of it. You need to use a good gum for this so that it doesn't stress you, so ensure you buy original gum. Like and share this video, and if you want to know how to mold this wording into what I have here, slide into my channel, the Model TV. You see a video on how to mold your fascinator base. Make sure you watch it. You see how to mold this and have this done. You mold them and keep, so that anytime you want to use it, you just pick it and use. Okay, so let's cover the outer part of the fascinator. Is it not simple? I said it's simple, so you can trust me. It is very, very simple. Relax, relax, spread it and ensure that the fabric relaxes, like no overlap, nothing, like, spread, relax, relax. Okay, you just spread it carefully and ensure that there's no twisted edge. Spread your gum generously and you have this easily done with. Okay, I'd love to hear from you in the comment section if you have any question, any reaction whatsoever. If you don't have any, just like the video, don't leave without liking, and turn on all notifications so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video, because I'll surely upload a new video and you need to try it on, because I can assure you that it will sure look good on you. So try it, try it, try it. That's your beautiful Ankara that you want to rock. Just make a fascinator and let it go with it. You can as well make a purse, a handbag, whatsoever, a shoe that you want to make with your African print fabric. Just make sure you have a good gum. You can do all things, okay, through Christ that strengthens you. So don't freak out, stay put, watch till the end and see what we make of this beautiful design. So let's do the finishing with a trimming. With a trimming, you can use bias, velvet bias, normal bias, any trimming of your choice. You can use it to finish the back. It all depends on you. So now it's time for embellishment. So I'll be using the star feathers to do the finishing. You can use any feathers. You can use crinoline. Initially I wanted to use pleated crinoline, but I realized that the crinoline will cover up the beauty of the African print. It will cover up the Ankara. It will not allow the beauty of the Ankara to pop out. So I changed my mind and I decided to use star feathers. You can use any feathers. So this is how it looks like. The way these feathers is, you can spread it like to cover the fascinator. You can just curve it to one side like what I did, but it's up to you how you like it. And I'll just let my own be the way it is. So let's attach Alice band and we're done. Look at this. Do you like it? This is how it looks like. The fascinator is ready. Okay, let me hear from you in the comments section. How do you see this design? Is it nice? Is it worth trying? Will you be trying it? Will you rock it? Let me hear from you. Don't forget to like and share this video. Okay, give it a like if it adds value. See you in my next video. Don't forget to